It's like that.
We're going to head up Courthouse Gap Road, and then the access trail up to the Bartram Trail is to the left after about a quarter-mile walk. Here's the junction.
Turn on that flashlight.
We're going to head up toward the Bartram Trail here on this access.
Bark activation.
This is Courthouse Gap, and this is the Bartram Trail, and we'll head southward on the Bartram and come to a side trail called the Pinnacle Trail. We'll take it up to Pinnacle Knob. Very much uphill hike all morning, then coming back it'll be easy. Alright, we're at the intersection of the Bartram and Pinnacle Knob Trail.
Yes, we're there. It is fun.
We're headed to Pinnacle Knob on the side. 10 of us showed up today for this foggy, misty hike. These are real hikers. Coming into a point here where we normally get a pretty good view. The views today are all the same. Fog. Still a great day for a hike. As we get higher up in the mountain, we start to see a lot of boulders.
You can do that when you get older, Vic.
Just typical of North Georgia mountains near the peaks.
Yeah.
Huge tree turned over here right at the trail. Typical site this year after the hurricane. It's what you call a shelter.
The other side.
Oh yeah. That's our mountain view today. We're headed back down the trail. It was about 2 miles to the summit. Pretty little creek here.